Boto kay Anding. Yan ang papel na ginagampanan ni J.K. Labajo bilang si Lucas sa teleseryeng A Love to Last. At dahil sa kanyang karakter, hindi na maiiwasan na i-bash ng ilang manonood si J.K. Apektado kaya ang batang aktor dito? Narito po ang umagang showbiz balita ni Jeff Fernando.
Okay lang sa'yo lahat ng to. Tanggap mo na nakamukod na lahat ng tao.
Uploaded at ipinakitang husay sa pag-arte ni J.K. Labajo sa top-rating teleseryeng A Love to Last. Malaking challenge kay J.K. ang kanyang papel bilang Lucas na kontra sa relasyong tondeng na papel ni Bea Alonzo at Ian Veneracion.
I really feel flattered and I really feel happy when people compliment me with all those really amazing stuff. And yeah, but actually wala pa akong acting workshop, so I'm really planning on doing some acting workshop kasi I really think I need it. Wala ka bang pakialam sa nararamdaman namin? Hanggang andyan ka, hindi mabubuo ang family namin.
Dahil medyo pasaway si Lucas sa kwento, hindi maiiwasang i-bash si J.K. ng ilang manonood.
Ang dami po. The people on set, I asked them, is it okay? Okay lang ba na ganito? Or baka masira ba ako or whatever? It's actually great kasi effective daw yung acting ko. So sabi na, it's great daw. You should be proud. But obviously your version is a lie. Hindi nga akin yun eh.
Bagong opportunities din ang nagbukas para kay J.K. Ngayong tinatahak na niya ang pag-arte.
Sa Love to Last, kumbaga, it made me explore acting more. Tapos mas naging wide yung range ko sa acting and kumbaga mas naging wide yung knowledge ko with how this works and I fell in love with it. And eventually back then, people would always ask me, ano mas pipiliin mo, acting or singing? Sasabihin ko, I'm more known as a singer who can act, pero now I want to be known as an actor who can sing.
Isang music album din ang pinaghahandaan ngayon ni J.K. na siguradong aabangan ng fans. Jeff Fernando, ABS-CBN News.